These bundles look excellent, Raj.
Yes, the texture is perfect. We can move these to processing.
We are maintaining the ideal temperature profile here.
The hair quality is excellent, completely dry.
This bundle passes all the checks. It's very soft.
Yes, premium quality. Let's tag it.
Tensions. The bleached hair moves into large coloring tanks. Professional coloring systems apply black, brown.
The colored hair passes through conditioning tanks filled with nourishing treatment. Automatic rollers coat every strand to increase softness, strength, and shine.
The new batch is looking excellent.
Agreed. The moisture levels are perfectly balanced. Everything is labeled correctly. Move this rack to production. Understood. All right, manifest confirmed. This shipment is ready for dispatch.
We need this pallet in aisle 4, near receiving.
Copy that. I'll drop it off now.
The craftsmanship on this bob is exquisite. Is it hand-tied?
Yeah.
And this color is absolutely flawless. It feels so light. And how does that feel? Oh, wow, I absolutely adore it. It looks incredible.